So today I am touring in Tributary, which is in Yulee, Florida, which is one of the farthest northern cities, just one exit away from Georgia. So this home I'm touring the builder is David Weekley, and the model is called the Brasher, and this is one of their most popular models. So let me turn it around and show you what it looks like. All right, let's go inside and take a look. As you enter, to your immediate right is like a flex space, and here they have it set up like a home office. You have your luxury vinyl floor here, some crown molding, and if you wanted to make this more of a quieter space, you could always add some French doors here. But here in the model, they added a little chair rail, and they two-toned the color here. And then to your immediate right, we have the first bathroom with a double sink, tile floor, and the tub and shower combination. See how it has the undermounted sink, the solid surface countertop, really tall doors. Here's a linen closet. And then right here behind the office is bedroom number 1. It's quite a decent size in here. And it has a walk-in closet. That's a nice feature for the bedroom. All the doors are tall as well. Really nice high baseboard. Here's bedroom number 2. You can see this is a full-size bed, and you still have room for nice nightstands and a dresser. We have another walk-in closet. That is amazing. I'm gonna cross the hallway and we're going into bedroom number 3. You can see why so many families love this floor plan. We have decent sized bedrooms, taller ceilings, and walk-in closets. These are all great features when you're raising your family. So we come down the hall here, and this is the other restroom. This is the laundry room. And this is your drop zone off of your garage. So on the left here would be your garage, and another closet. How big that closet is. Now we're coming into the living, dining, and kitchen area. They have a nice feature wall, crown molding. And look at how big this kitchen is, with the oven and the microwave stacked. This is a gas community. Undermounted sink with a huge island. Backsplash. Area you can use for coffee station. Nice tall cabinets. Let's see what this pantry looks like. Great storage in the pantry. But you have so many cabinets here. It's plenty of storage. And you have a designated dining area open to the living room. And here is your screened in lanai with a view of the man-made lake. This community is off of Highway 200, very close to I-95. So here we have a tray ceiling with ceiling fan, very spacious owner suite with a big king-size bed. You can just see from this angle also how big this room is. And then we're into the ensuite here. We have the double sink, a huge shower, a tile all the way to the ceiling, and a transom window to get you some extra light. And then we have a closet here, a linen closet here. Is this not everyone's goals? Oh yeah, we want a big closet like this, don't we? This is like a whole bedroom. It's so big, amazing. So what do you think of the Brasher? This is almost 3,000 square feet. And they have a different version where they have a bonus room upstairs, so it makes it even bigger. But they are still building in this community. And see how they still have trees. Some of the amenities in this community are a beautiful outdoor pool. It has a great community area with a lawn and an indoor community area. There's a wonderful fitness center, an adventurous playground for the children, dog parks, pickleball. It has great pathways, and eventually they're going to have a kayaking launching area. So this community is growing. They're in the very beginning stages. And like I mentioned, there are 2 builders in this community on featuring the David Weekley, but Lennar is also in here. And Lennar also has a 55 and over community within this community, but that is closed out. They're not building at the moment. They might have a phase opening up later on, but we have no dates for that community. So now that you've seen the Brasher and a little bit of Tributary, let me know what you think. As you know, life is too short not to love where you're living. And I'm living the dream here in Metro Jacksonville, Florida. And I would love to be your go-to agent here. Whether you are relocating here from New York, California, Connecticut, Michigan, Ohio, wherever you may be, if you are considering moving out of those areas into Florida, Northeast Florida is a great option for you. make sure you message me today. I'm going to leave a link in the description to my email and to a link to a consultation. And if this video wasn't for you, make sure you check out that video, because I have done a lot of different communities throughout Northeast Florida, all the way here from Fernandina, all the way down to Palm Coast. Our area is so big and so vast. It is so nice to be able to show you all the different options that you have. So whether you're doing resale, new construction, or just looking for a home to get away in the winter when you're too cold wherever you live, I would love to be able to assist you with that process. My name's Nicole Smith, and I've been in real estate over 5 years now, and I just love what I do. And I would love the opportunity to serve you in your needs. So make sure you message today. Make sure you leave me a comment below if there's an area or a question you might have about this particular community, or if you have anybody that you know that's considering selling anywhere. I can definitely help them with that, because I have a great referral system. Thanks so much again, friends. Have an awesome day.